King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, in today's video we're going to be using this yummy pink lip liquid and this yellow lip liquid from TKB Trading to make a beautiful peach mango lip gloss. After mixing those beautiful two colors together, I'm going to add a little bit more of this yellow lip liquid coloring just to make it a little bit more darker. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add this yummy smelling peach mango flavoring oil from Obrilo. It smells amazing and it also tastes great. So this is how the gloss base turned out. It is the perfect color. It definitely gives me peach mango vibes. So I am definitely happy and satisfied. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. This little extended piece on the end of my syringe is a cut up pipette, just so you all are aware, and that helps me reach the bottom of the squeeze tubes and the bottom of wand tubes as well when I am using them. color is absolutely beautiful, and it came out just like I wanted it to. It's definitely giving peachy mango, and it smells good, it looks good, and it tastes good. So I'm also going to give you guys a quick little lip swatch because I know you guys enjoyed those as well. So here you go. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the caps to the squeeze tubes right now. So we're going to go ahead and give these glosses a nice gloss bath. As you know, if you watch my videos, that gloss bath just contains soap and water, and they help prevent your tubes from being sticky, and they also provide extra sanitization as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.